Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing a land loan, what it is, and how it differs from a mortgage. So without further ado, let's climb straight into it. The first thing that we need to discuss is what a land loan actually is. So a land loan is a type of financing specifically used to purchase land. Unlike a traditional mortgage, which covers the cost of a home in all. Land loans are for vacant lots or land where you can plan to build. There are generally two types of land loans. First of all is a raw land loan, which is used for undeveloped land, and an improved land loan, which is used for land with utilities and access. Now that you know what a land loan is, let's talk about how to actually get one. So here's a few steps that you should take into consideration. First of all, determine your budget. Assess how much you actually can afford, including a down payment. The next thing is to check your credit score. A good credit score will help you secure better terms. You can research lenders too, because not all lenders offer land loans. So make sure that you do your homework. You can gather necessary documents. You can prepare your financial documents, tax returns, and land details. And then the last step, of course, is applying for the loan. You can submit your application and wait for approval. Be prepared, though, for questions about your plans for the actual land you wish to acquire. Let's talk about some of the challenges that you may face while trying to acquire a land loan. First of all, the higher interest rates. Land loans often come with higher interest rates due to the perceived risk. Also, there is more stringent requirements. Lenders may require larger down payments, even up to maybe 50%. Also, there is limited financing options, which means that some lenders may not finance new land, limiting your lender's choices. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, your guide on how to get a land loan. Remember, preparation is always key. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like. We'll see you next time.